fix your country first. When you destroy your country, ne? Like the Zimbabwean government who were saying they are gonna destroy their country and chase white people, Portuguese there, and come build it again. Now they can't even build it now. They can't. I'm talking about big people in Zimbabwe.
Yes.
They can't. They destroyed their people. And right now, people are criminals in these African countries, most of them. Because, my brother, their leaders are eating alone. One time, they are corrupt, they are bosses.
So they don't have a choice but to be criminals.
So they don't have a choice to that country but to be criminals. Now, those people, they're coming in South Africa now. But now, Bona as their leaders, they are happy.
Yes.
They say, okay, we don't have to deal with criminals anymore.
Yes.
They are there in South Africa. It's not our problems anymore.